What's going on, ladies and gents? You know what it is. It's your boy Tags. Today I got an unboxing, okay? I will be unboxing the Elgato Stream Deck, okay? That's what I'll be doing. I'll be doing an unboxing today of the Elgato Stream Deck. So let's jump right into it. Customization on your terms. Easy setup, drag and drop actions in the Stream Deck app. Personalized keys, design your own icons or choose from hundreds. Unlimited profiles, create, share, and switch key configurations on the fly. Let's open this sucker up. So I got my envelope opener, my razor, my blade, and we're gonna cut these like so. All right, and then it should just, boom, got them. Stream Deck quick start guide. We got a booklet in here. Look at this packaging. Simple. This is like Apple type packaging. We got the Stream Deck. It's actually small, so it did say 4 point whatever inches by 3 point, so yeah, it is small. Okay, got the Stream Deck. We got a stand. All of that right inside this packaging. Simple, easy. I'm telling you, Apple type packaging here. Okay, this thing opens up. Okay. Boom. Quit playing with me. Quit playing with me. Let me read the quick start guide, because there's some flaps right here. I don't know what these flaps do. See these flaps? I don't know what these flaps do. So I wanna read my quick start guide. Let's log in to the computer. Feel me? We're gonna get this done. elgato.com/gaming. elgato.com/gaming/download. Boom. I'll record the screen, do y'all some justice. All right, so now that we downloaded Stream Deck, we're gonna wanna install this bad boy. So let's install it. You feel me? Install, I agree, install. I just got my handy dandy converter, and now I'm gonna plug it direct into the computer, because that's step 2. All right, we're plugged up to the computer. It instantly lit up. It instantly lit up. Look at that. Look at that. As soon as I plugged it up, it's got presets all ready for me. Feel me? That's kind of dope. That's kind of dope. I don't even know which Stream Deck this. Stream Deck 2. This is the Stream Deck 2. All right, so you see we got some options right here on the right side. I guess that's what they saying. I could drag something here. Okay, we could do this right now. We could try this one instantly. Previous page. Next page. Number 4, configure your actions and personalize keys with custom icons. Use 72 by 72 pixels, JPEG or PNG to achieve the best results. So if I click on one, boom, set from file, create new icon, open Stream Deck icon library. Let's see what they got. Let's search back. Let's search back. So this is what they got. This is their Stream Deck library. Pretty decent amount. All right. Drag and drop. Create folder onto a key, then drag and drop actions into that folder. Okay, so let's create folder onto a key. We're gonna title this folder test folder. Enter. Oh shit. Yo, you know what's crazy? I just titled it test folder. Look at that. It says test folder on the Stream Deck. That's crazy. So whatever you name it, it's gonna pop up. Literally, the icon you see on your computer is what you're gonna see on the Stream Deck. That's fire, that's fire, that's fire. Tap the back key to exit a folder. All right, so let's enter that. You see, I'm gonna stop using that. I'm gonna click on the Stream Deck. Folder, whoa, whoa. Let's tap the back key. Whoa, I like these buttons too. They feel nice, they feel nice. Let's click on timer. I don't know what timer does. Oh, we got a 30-second timer started. 30-second timer started. Let's right click the volume key. I could pin it, I could copy, move to a folder, move to multi-action, set from file. Pop Stream Deck on the included stand and adjust the legs for optimum access. So optimum access, let me see, let's prop this bad boy up. Optimum access. Oh, so now I think the flaps is for your cord, now that I think about it. See, I'm a smart guy. Nah, I don't think it's for your cord actually, but it could be, who knows. Alright, optimum access would be probably at its last one, because that's the most inclined. They probably should have gave people more versatility. Click on the settings, accounts, add account, bang, bang, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, Streamlabs, okay, got you. Get tapping and unleash. Okay, so I'm set up. I'm set up. We set up right now. Okay. So I could turn the volume up. Open system preferences. Oh, I need to give it control so that it could control my computer. Facts, facts, facts. All right, we're gonna press the button again right here, right here, right here. Volume up. Oh, it went up. You see that? Look at the screen. Volume down. Whoa, whoa. Okay, okay. Mute. Unmute. Mute. Unmute. Hey, quit playing with me. I don't want to press screen record because I'm scared it might stop the recording I'm already doing. Emojis. Oh, snap. Nah, this is fire. Links. Oh, shit. Okay, I'm in the links section. Let's go to YouTube. Let's go to YouTube. Oh, boy. Yo, nah. This is fire. Nah, this is fire. I'm not even on. Yo, I get why this shit is fire. I get why people love this shit. If it could load up a website, imagine what else it could do. But it's on sale right now, $129.99. That might be your price range if you want to get something as cool as this Stream Deck right here, Stream Deck Mark II. I think this is cool. I'm gonna take some time to play with this, especially now that I'm gonna be editing a lot more videos. If you have a Stream Deck, let me know what you use it for, because clearly there's multiple use cases. Do you like it? Do you use it often? Yeah, let me know what's going on. Which one do you have? Because I see that there's endless. There's a Stream Deck Mini. There's the Stream Deck 2, Stream Deck Plus, Stream Deck XL. I might have to start looking into the other Stream Decks and seeing which one is the best. Do a comparison, you feel me? Stream Deck Mobile, which I think you could just download off of the phone, right? But yeah, I'm gonna catch you when I catch you. This your boy Tags. Peace.